turn out fine.
Hello and welcome to my travel blog. I'm excited to share my recent adventure in the stunning inland sea desert of Doha. If you're looking for a thrilling, one-of-a-kind experience, this is a must-visit destination. From dune bashing to camel rides and falcon photos, every moment was packed with excitement. Stay tuned for all the details about this unforgettable trip. We booked our adventure just 2 days before the trip, and the total cost for our exciting desert tour was 450 Qatari riyals. The package included pickup and drop-off services, making it super convenient. Our first stop was dune bashing, and let me tell you, it was an absolute adrenaline rush. Khor El Adaid, or the inland sea, is one of the few places in the world where the sand dunes meet the sea. Watching the turquoise blue waters of the Arabian Sea blend with the desert sands was a mesmerizing sight. As the day progressed, the water receded, leaving behind a vast, barren beach, a unique view of nature's incredible transformation. The ride over the dunes was thrilling, with each bump and turn adding to the excitement. After dune bashing, we hopped onto camels for a peaceful and scenic ride through the desert. It was the perfect way to soak in the desert atmosphere and take in the stunning surroundings. For just 20 Qatari riyals per person, we enjoyed a short but memorable ride across the golden sands. One of the highlights of the trip was getting the chance to hold a falcon and take a picture with it. The majestic bird perched on our arm, and it made for a truly memorable experience. For only 10 Qatari riyals, we were able to capture this incredible moment. If you're a fan of birds of prey or just looking for a unique photo opportunity, this is something you definitely don't want to miss. For those seeking even more adventure, quad biking is an option. We didn't opt for it on this trip, but for 250 Qatari riyals for half an hour. If you're looking for a more immersive experience, you can also book a package that includes an overnight stay in the desert. This package comes with complimentary meals, making it a fantastic way to experience the desert under the stars. Imagine spending the night in the vast, quiet desert, with the only sounds being the gentle wind and the occasional call of desert creatures, a truly magical experience. The peaceful nights near the Arabian Sea in the distance. It was like something out of a dream. The inland sea desert in Doha is an amazing place, and I highly recommend it to anyone visiting the city. Whether you're into thrilling activities like dune bashing and quad biking, or you just want to relax on a camel ride, there's something for everyone. I hope this video gave you a little glimpse into the amazing inland sea desert. If you're ever in Doha, you absolutely can't miss out on this adventure. It's something you'll remember forever. From the adrenaline-pumping dune bashing to the peaceful camel rides and unforgettable falcon photo OPS, this place has it all. Trust me, it's the perfect mix of adventure and serenity. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you been to the inland sea desert, or are you planning to go soon? Drop your thoughts, questions, or any tips you have in the comments below. I'd be more than happy to help out and share any extra advice I can. Whether you need recommendations for other activities in Doha or want to know more about the desert tour itself, I'm here to assist you with all the details. And hey, if you've done something fun or unique while visiting Qatar, I'd love to know about it. Maybe there's a hidden spot I haven't discovered yet, or a local tradition you think I should experience. Let's start a conversation and help each other out as we explore new places. If you're loving these travel vlogs, don't forget to hit that like button. Share this video with your fellow travelers, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, so you never miss an adventure. I'm planning to bring you more travel inspiration, tips, and exclusive content to help you make the most of your trips. Also, if there's a specific activity, place, or travel guide you'd like to see in the next video, let me know. Your suggestions help me make the content even more exciting and tailored to what you want to see. Thanks for watching and being part of this journey with me. There are plenty more stories, adventures, and hidden gems coming your way. Stay tuned, stay curious, and keep exploring. I'll catch you in the next video. Trust me, it's going to be epic.